Hello and thank you for joining. This video will show you how to create your Holland College Dashboard account, and our subsequent videos will show you how to create an application, submit all your forms required for your application, and so much more. So without further ado, let's start creating your Holland College Dashboard account. In order to reach our Create Account page and revisit your account after it's been created, go directly to our Holland College homepage, www.hollandcollege.com. For those with an existing account, click on Login and then My Dashboard to visit your dashboard account. For all first-time users, click on Apply Today and then on New Online Application Form, Recruit. From here, you can click on Create My Dashboard Account and fill in all relevant personal information as well as information about your program of interest. The last step will be to enter your personal password, which you'll use for all future logins. Make sure your password is memorable, as it's something that you'll be using several times between now and the time that you become a student at Holland College. There's only one rule to follow when creating your password. Your password must be a minimum of 6 characters. This can include a combination of letters, numbers, symbols, or anything you prefer. So to give you an idea of what you should be putting in each of the data fields, I'm going to create a test subject called Gym Test. You'll see this section here regarding text messages. This is entirely up to your own preference whether you would like to receive notifications from Holland College via text. I'm going to select Do Not Allow. Whenever you're adjusting your birth date, make sure you change the year first. So for Jim, he was born in 1993 in July on the 26th, and he is a Canadian citizen. So we'll say that Jim's address is 140 Weymouth Street in Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. The next bit of information that you have to include is your high school academic history. So for Jim, he went to Charlottetown Rural, so I'm going to start to type in Charlottetown Rural and see if the school name comes up here. There it is right there, Charlottetown Rural High School. If you're typing in your high school and the name doesn't come up here, click right here down below where it says click here if school is not listed. From here, you can enter in your school name and school address. But as I mentioned, Jim went to Charlottetown Rural High School. So we have it here in the list, so I'll just click right there. From here, I can indicate which month and year Jim attended Charlottetown Rural. Selecting September of 2008 and graduating in June of 2011. For entry term, Jim is interested in the 2021 to 2022 academic year, so I'll click here. As for his academic program, he's interested in business administration. And again, for the last step, make sure your password is a minimum of 6 characters. And now we're ready to create my Holland College Dashboard account. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos on learning how to request information from our advisors, learn how to submit your application, pay your confirmation fee, and so much more.